Hi, I wanted to show you something I bought for this season. This is the Peak Design range pouch in the large version. The reason I bought this was to use on, for example, a photo shoot during the wedding day, because I carry two cameras on me with two different lenses, of course, but very often I wanted to carry an extra lens, for example a 50 or a 70 to 200 or an 85, and didn't want to carry my whole camera backpack for me, because we would often walk quite a bit with a wedding couple. So that's why I decided to buy this lens pouch, and today I want to tell you about my findings of this small pouch. You can use this lens pouch in two different ways. First, you can use it on a belt. It has two flaps, and then you can put your belt on it, close it, and then it's secure on a belt. I don't use it that way very often, because I want to be able to quickly put this bag back in my backpack as well. So that's why I bought the smallest Peak Design strap, which is the leash. This is very small and light, and the pouch comes with these Peak Design anchors, so you can just attach this and then use it as a sling strap, for example. What I love about the Peak Design lens pouches is that they can be folded very flat, so I can just put it in, for example, the laptop compartment of my bag. What I also love is that you can kind of compact the pouch or make it bigger. So if you have smaller lenses in it, it's not too big, but you can still fit large lenses into it. So first of all, I want to show you the different types of lenses that would fit into the range pouch. The range pouch comes in different sizes, small, medium and large, I believe. This is the large version, and I bought the large version especially for this 70 to 200. Because I was afraid it wouldn't fit into the smaller pouches. Well, let's see. This way doesn't really fit. Other way around. Not so easy, as you can see, because it's quite a tight fit. Yeah, does fit with the lens hood, but it's kind of a struggle, as you can see. But if you don't have to take it out all the time, then that's okay. It is quite large this way, and I wouldn't really like to have this hanging on my belt, but with a leash it will be okay. Let's take it out. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that's not too bad. Now for the newer 70 to 200 RF 2.8. I think this will be easier. Yeah. What's the problem for this pouch is the lens hood. If it's wider lens hood, then it's kind of tight. So it does fit, but as you saw, still not so easy with the lens hood. Perhaps if I would reverse it, maybe it would come out a little bit easier. Let's see, I don't know even if it would fit. Yeah, it does fit. But Barely. I can barely close it. It is probably easier to take out this way. Yeah. Another big lens, 85 1.2. Try it this way. Does fit. Fits nicely. It is this 85 is a very wide kind of fat lens, as you can see. So it's not, I was afraid it wouldn't fit, but it's okay. And with the lens hood reversed, yeah, that's also okay. I must say, with these bigger lenses, it's not very easy. Now I must admit, I usually carry smaller lenses in this, like the 35 with a converter, and then it fits very easily. As you can see. And what's also nice about these pouches is you can fit two lenses in it, and there's a kind of a flap which you can fold down so they don't damage each other. Let's see if this with a converter will fit. And then a 50 on top. Also fits. So it will fit two smaller lenses. The only lens which might be nice to show you is the 24 to 70. So I'll quickly grab it. So back with the 24 to 70, 2.8 by the way. See how it fits? Yeah, so that fits nicely. So my conclusion, it's a pretty nice pouch. The materials are really nice. I love how you can fold it smaller. I love how you can fold it down and how it fits into your camera bag. I kind of wish it was more stretchy or something somehow, because as you saw, it's quite difficult to put larger lenses into it. You could remove the lens hood and it will be easier, but I use the lens hood, so I want to have that with me. One thing I also don't really like is the bottom shape. It's kind of weird. I would have preferred if it would be straight. I think it would give more room for the lenses on the underside. If you were thinking of getting a range pouch and you're in doubt whether some lenses would fit, I would definitely go a little larger than you might want, because even though most lenses fit in the length, it's quite a tight fit. So still happy with it. Is it the perfect lens pouch? I don't know, but still going to use it, and we'll see how it holds up. Bye.